How to redeem codes in survival.io. So here's what you want to do. First, you want to load up the game itself. Then click on your profile icon in the top left. And you just want to copy your player ID. It is the same as your name, so if you haven't changed your name, just click on the name itself. And I'll just copy these numbers. So this is the player ID. After you have copied your player ID, you want to open up Safari or any browser and just Google search for survival.io redeem. And you will go to this website, gift.survival.io. And here you want to enter your game ID. So here's where we enter the ID that we just copied. Then you will see a section for the rewards code. So you will type out the code right here. Then the verification code you will type underneath, the one that you see to the right. And you will just click on done. Confirm redeeming the code for this ID, yes, and if it's a correct code, then it is going to give you rewards into your account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.